So today I'm going to show you how you can make a rooting hormone using aloe vera. So first, you're going to just want to make sure that you're going to get like a fresh aloe vera. By fresh I mean like it shouldn't be like a frozen or something like in the fridge or something like that, or any other form. It should be a fresh, it should just be a leaf that you left outside or something. So you just take the leaf. You're going to first want to take off all these spikes on the sides. And I'm just going to cut those off like that. You just take the edge of your knife, and you just have to go through, cut all that off, and then, yeah, you can just take all that off. If you really want to use all of this gel, then you can take some of that off, but it's going to be really hard with the spikes. So I'm going to do that for both. Just go through and specifically cut out all those spikes. And ta-da! You just cut out all the spikes, and then you're just gonna have to cut off the end. And yeah, and then in the next clip I'll show you how you're supposed to take the aloe vera gel out. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to just very carefully and slowly just take off like this top part of the aloe vera leaf. You know, the part, you know, just like the top green part, and be a little careful. That was really careless on my part there. And you're gonna want to just slowly, I'm just gonna try to use as much of the leaf as possible. Yeah. Okay, so that was a little hard. If you find it very hard to do it with the knife, then you can just take a peeler and sort of just peel it off. So this is how it's going to look after you do that. This has been out for a lot of days, so this part, it's not going to give me a lot. But this part, however, just going to want to sort of like take this. It's really hard and sticky at the same time. And yeah, so it's just, yeah. I'm just going to have to like take this out. So then you're going to just have this. It's like all the gel here. It's all the gel. And you're just gonna want to like try to smush that gel down. Try to make it into like more liquidy. It's very very sticky and hard to do it, but you're just gonna want to try to chop up that pulp stuff and make it into a liquid. You can blend it, but then it's gonna be a pain to try to get it out of the blender because it's just gonna stick to the sides and everything. So you can just use a spoon or something, or you can just try to do it with your hand. Yeah, it's just so after you put a little bit of water and you like squish the aloe vera a considerable amount, then you're just gonna have this, and you just have to take whatever you're gonna propagate or and whatever you're trying to graft or whatever, and you're just gonna have to put it in here. I'm going to show you, as an example for this video, I'm going to be using a curry leaf plant to propagate, and yeah, so let's get to that part. So after you've prepped your graft or cutting, whatever, your stem cutting, and this is a curry leaf stem cutting. I'm going to leave a card somewhere up here, and you can see that video on how to grow curry leaf. It's a great plant, tons of benefits. So you're gonna take this, you're just gonna like chop it at 45-degree angle. 45-degree angle is for any plant, anything that you're trying to, you know, try to get roots from stem cuttings. Always gonna have a 45-degree angle, and you're just gonna have to cut, yeah, 45 degrees. And this is great. See, that's pretty good. 45-degree angle. And actually that was a little too long. You're just going to want to cut 45-degree angle, and you're just going to want to leave it in the root hormone, the aloe vera root hormone, so then it soaks up the root hormone and you can get the maximum exposure, so then it can immediately start sending out roots. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. If you moderately somewhat like this video and you like gardening or something, then click the subscribe icon here. It's somewhere here in this corner. and make sure to hit the bell icon too to turn on the notifications. If you want to see my last video, click here, and if you want to see the video that YouTube recommends, click here. Thanks for watching this aloe vera rooting hormone video. I'll see you in the next video.